So about 3 hours ago, Mr. B dropped the new app, Finger on the App 2. They already have done the first one, which was $25,000 price. Now it's $100,000 price. It's basically a challenge which you can put your finger on and stay as long as you can. So today I will show you how to download it on both Android and iOS devices. So without further ado, let's get started. So guys, I'm partnering up with Lukix to show you guys their really awesome UA shoes website. They have a lot of brands such as Off-White, Yeezy, Nike, and many more with cheap prices. As you guys can see right now, I'm on their website, and man, look how cheap the sneakers are. You can get Off-White and more sneakers, but keep in mind they are UA, so it's not retail version, and you can get $10 off if you use my code ST on checkout. So check the link in the description down below to get these really awesome sneakers, and let me know if you want me to review one of their sneakers by liking the video. So yeah, let's start the video. Okay guys, for both Android and iOS, all you gotta do is there's a link in the description down below. Click on it and then scroll down. There's an article, and once you scroll down, and right here it says how you can, there's a link for iOS and also there's a link for Android. So I'm just gonna click Android because right now I'm using Android, and you just need to click on it. Yeah, right here you can download it. Just click on Android, and as you guys can see, I already installed it and you can download it from here. So yeah, as you guys can see, I've downloaded it, and once you click on it, and it will take probably 5 to 10 seconds to load up. I don't know what's the problem. I don't know if it's the device or it's just the app, and we're just gonna wait until it's pop up. So as you guys can see, it is pop up. I'm using J3, it's old device, Samsung, and yeah, you can use it for Android and iOS. So yeah, that's all I gotta say. Check the link in the description down below, and also make sure you guys go to Lukix website to get their awesome, really cool UA shoes. So yeah, good luck for everyone. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you guys subscribe and like this video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Peace out.